Hi, and welcome to Mike's Garage. So I've been looking forward to doing this video. So one of my subscribers had mentioned, hey, you need to replace all of these disconnect switches and you should use T-class fuses. So I'm actually going to be doing that in this episode. So all of these are going away. They are being replaced with Renology 150 amp fuses. I chose these because I needed to get a good amount of quantity, but trying to keep the cost down to a reasonable amount. So there's 12 of them total. Once again, 150 amps. Now, the amount of arc that it can extinguish, the IR is 10 Ka, which is plenty for a 48 volt. Now, you might be saying you still need to have your T-class fuses between your bus bar and your inverters, and very true. So I do have these much nicer and more expensive Class T fuse blocks, and I do have 250 amp fuses to go along with them. And essentially, each one of the cables that is going to my inverters is going to, each one of the positive cables is going to have one of these installed. And then I'm also going to have a T-class fuse, so kind of follow me on this. So this right here is my combiner box before it goes into my actual panel. So on this combiner box, I'm going to take the output of my two inverters here. It's going to go into the side, and then on the inside, on the AC side, I'm going to have two fuses here, one for each leg. These are T-class, and essentially the current ones that are sitting in here are 80 amps, but I have 100 amp ones that I'm going to be putting in. So I'll have T-class fuses on the AC side. I'll have a lot of T-class fuses on the DC side. So essentially, I think I'll be good. So let's go ahead and let's get these swapped out.